In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a trade on TradingView. Whether you're looking to refine your trading skills or just getting started in the world of trading, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to make a trade using this powerful platform smoothly and confidently. First things first, you'll want to ensure that your TradingView account is all set up and ready to go. An account is essential because it serves as your portal to the trading world. If you haven't yet, head over to TradingView and get that sorted. Once you've successfully created your account, you've got two main options: connect to a supported broker for real trades, or utilize the paper trading feature for practice. The choice here primarily depends on your current needs. If you're going live with real money, you'll want to click on the icon in the upper left of your chart or at the trading panel located at the bottom of the screen. This will guide you through selecting your connected broker. On the other hand, if you're practicing or testing out strategies without financial risk, be sure to select paper trading from the same trading panel to access a demo account. Now, let's move on to the actual act of placing an order. You have two convenient methods to open your order panel. From your chart, you can simply tap or click on it, then select Trade, followed by choosing Create New Order. Alternatively, if you're preferring to work directly from the trading panel, just open it at the bottom of your screen and click on the Trade button situated next to your connected account. This small step is crucial in directing you to where all the action happens. As you proceed, it's time to configure your trade. Begin by ensuring that you're trading from the correct account. Determine whether it's your broker account if you're using real money, or your paper trading account for practice. Next, it's decision time. Are you buying or selling? Make that selection based on your analysis and strategy. Once you've settled on this, you need to choose your order type. If you opt for a market order, it will execute immediately at the best available price. A limit order, on the other hand, will only transact at a specific price you set. Lastly, a stop order will trigger a buy or sell at a particular price once a specified level is reached. After sorting out the order type, decide on the quantity and, if applicable, specify the exact price for limit or stop orders. Don't forget to manage risk by setting your take profit and stop loss levels. These are key to protecting your trades and managing potential losses. Finally, it's important to review all these details carefully. Once you're satisfied everything is in order, click the buy or sell button to execute your trade. There you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully navigated through entering a trade on TradingView. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel empowered to take on your trading with newfound confidence. Happy trading!